back to the channel, folks. Welcome back, Bo Biddle.
Hello, Ben Barber.
How are you on this fine day, sir?
Fantastic.
Fantastic. I think you're fantastic because of this amazingly colorful car. It's going to be hard for y'all to see how awesome this paint is. We're going to do our best.
Yeah, there's some really great flakes in this paint. I just don't know how it'll show up in the video, but take our word for it.
Take our word for it. It's amazing. Clearly we should be starting this a little differently, but we're just kind of taken back by the paint.
Yeah.
So
it's
now,
okay.
Now we'll start it legit. This is from Vintage Planet, one of the guys that's always at our event. Y'all could probably hear in the background, we are currently at our event, and he brought us this amazing ride so that we could shoot it. So let's talk about it, Bo. Give us some names, makes, and models while I take us on a grandiose tour of this beautiful, beautiful ride. What year is this thing?
Ben Barber, this is a 1964 Chevrolet Malibu Super Sport.
Okay, okay. What year was that?
1964.
64, okay.
This thing has been fully restored.
Fully restored. The guy at Vintage Planet, his name is Marcus, he mentioned to me that there's less than 1,000 miles on this current restoration.
Wow.
Old Mustang running off on us.
Less than 1,000 miles. That's
less than
awesome.
1,000 miles. So keep on going with all the fun stuff.
Yeah.
Keep on going with our specs here, buddy.
All right. Well, first of all, this thing has a 327 cubic inch motor, so this thing's good for 500 horsepower, Ben.
Dude, 500.
Yeah, and
okay.
It's got a 6-speed manual transmission.
So it's a manual too.
Yes.
This guy saved the manuals.
And it's a 6-speed.
Dude, that's awesome.
So, but it's got a lot of modern stuff that's going to be good for safety.
Modern conveniences. It's kind of the pro touring setup, so it does have the new, brakes and rotors, and
it does have power steering and power brakes.
Power brakes. We're kind of going over the basics, but let's really get into it. Let's pop this trunk, do what we normally do.
Okay.
See how much space this girl really has.
Well, this is old school, Ben, so we got to figure out which key. I wonder if this is
circular or square.
I don't know. These actually kind of look the same. So maybe it's just one.
Oh, okay. Plenty.
Okay.
Plenty of, yeah.
Decent amount of space.
When you say decent, it's a hilarious amount of space, folks. Look how much room is in there. But if you grab one of those little baggies out, you will see, pull that out.
Okay.
There's one open over there to your right.
Yeah, here we go.
And let's remember to not ever do that. Pull that out and let's set it up next to this wheel here. So these are the knockoffs if you want them, rather than it being just the flatness. So that would go on there, yeah. So they are with it if you want them to. They will pop right on there. So clearly you can fit a lot more things in the trunk than that, but those are there with the vehicle, which is cool. Just want to do a quick pan shot here. Again, we're at our event is just closing. Amazing looking wrap on that car. Then the color on that car is amazing. All right, back to the connipter at hand. Let's hear this thing, Bo.
Time to turn it on?
Time to turn it on. Actually,
I'm excited about this.
Why don't you pop the hood so we can check out the engine, then we'll make our way inside, and then we'll start her up. There's a lot of cars maneuvering around us down here at the moment. Remember, the hood opens up here, buddy.
Okay, I didn't know if there was a lever that we needed to...
There are no levers on these older cars.
Okay. Well, that kind of makes it a little bit easier, doesn't it?
It does, it does.
Takes us back to a simpler time, Ben. There's the lever.
It's got to be further in. Yep, further in than that. That's it right there.
There it is.
There it is. That's what she said. You have to actually yank her. There you go.
All right.
And then, wow.
Wow, look at that.
That's what 500 horsepower looks like, folks. And it may look carbureted. I'm not sure if it is carbureted. It may be EFI. I think it's EFI. Definitely has
this thing is beautiful.
Power steering, air conditioning. God, the engine bay is just
so clean.
It's really clean. It's really clean. Clearly a nice brand new battery. All right, hop in there and start this sucker up. Excuse me. I'm gonna get to the south end of the product here, so you can see.
Wow.
Start talking about this interior. Interior is completely redone. It is beautiful. It's got a really nice stereo in there. I'll go and show you the dash here in a moment. That really looks like kind of the old school stereo. Yeah, Dude. Oh man, the smell. I wish y'all could smell what I'm smelling. Yes. Wow. Dude, this thing sounds amazing, dude.
Wow, this is awesome. I don't know if they probably can't see it.
Yeah,
but
the dash is kind of glowing LED blue
yes.
look to it. It's hard to tell. 6-speed. How's the clutch feel?
It's really
modern.
easy, Ben. Like, I feel like this car, like, I could go drive around, put 100 miles on it with no problem whatsoever.
Go ahead and shut it down because there is no parking brake. Put her in gear so it won't move on us. And I'm going to kind of climb in there so I can see the seats a little bit.
You definitely want to sit down in this car.
So the door panels are nice and looks like you got a very small little thing here, but it's nice to have it. Roll up windows, and God, the seats are really nice, aren't they? The back ones just as nice as the front ones, for sure. Wow, so this is like a brand new car. Even the headliner, folks, brand new. We'll show you guys the stereo. Again, that is a Bluetooth stereo, though it doesn't look like it. It does have air. Man, this thing is amazing.
Yeah, now just having got in it for just those couple minutes, now I really want to go put some miles on this car now.
Yeah, Bo's ready to go drive it. All right, well, this has just been a brief look at this thing. Again, this is available from our friends at Vintage Planet. We'll put Marcus's info all on the screen here so you can see it. Is there a price on here, Bo? Do you got a price?
I believe it was mid-60s, Ben.
Okay.
For this, but keep in mind
it'd be hard to do that.
It's like a brand new car.
Yeah, it'd be really hard to restore something to this level for that kind of money. So that's a good buy. So yeah, if you're interested in this, go to our buddy at Vintage Planet. And for Bo Biddle, my name is Ben Barber. We'll see y'all in the next